professional at the Black Canyon Golf Course. This is part 2 of the virtual summer camp from the MJGA program. I'm going to demonstrate how to hit a little pitch shot. So one of the first things you want to do is you always want to pick the right club. The most common mistake that you see is people with too much loft. So usually I hit like a 50-degree wedge from here, and then the second part that I really do is visualize the shot. I visualize it going in the hole. So I'll demonstrate how to do it and give you some hand placement and stuff like that. So when I'm chipping, I'm visualizing exactly where I want to land the ball and letting it roll out. I open my stance. I'm going to aim my club face, and I'm going to open my shoulders and feet up. Now that I'm visualizing that shot, I'm going to go ahead and take just a small swing and lock the ball in the hole.